Archaeologists are surpassing previously accepted boundaries of discovery and exploration thanks to new technology such as drones and digital cameras. Moath Alofi is an artist, researcher and explorer in the Medina province of Saudi Arabia. He's been employing new tech to explore and document the region in ways previously not possible. He created this stunning video of ancient burial sites in the Saudi desert with the help of a high-resolution camera aboard a powerful drone. The mysterious sites, known as desert kites, are constructed out of rocks and date back many thousands of years, potentially to the Neolithic period. The structures are thought to be burial places or tombs, but other theories for their existence include villages or animal herding compounds. They were first discovered in the 1920s by World War II pilots. Later, during the Cold War, spy planes started documenting them, and the public's imagination was captured.